Welcome to this training video on managing Play Store apps with ME MDM. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up a managed Google Play Store account for your enterprise. You'll learn how to approve and control the apps available to your workforce, as well as how to deploy them in bulk to multiple devices. Let's get started. First, we need to create a managed Google Play account for your company. Managed Google Play simplifies enterprise app management by enabling automatic silent app installs on devices. It offers granular update controls, allowing IT admins to manage when and how apps are updated. Businesses can curate a custom catalog of approved apps. Additionally, employees can use work apps without needing a personal Play Store account, enhancing security and convenience. You can use either a Google Workspace account or a standard Google non-Workspace account. If your organization already uses Google Workspace and employees are on that domain, it's best to use that for seamless integration. However, if you don't have Google Workspace, a regular Google account will work just fine. In this video, we'll demonstrate the setup process using a non-Workspace account so you can follow along even if your company isn't on Google Workspace. Let's begin. Now, let's begin configuring Managed Google Play using your Google account. First, navigate to Device Management. Then go to App Repository. Select Managed Google Play and choose Google Account to start the setup. You'll be redirected to create a Google admin account. Sign in with your company's Google account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account using your company email. For best practices, we recommend using a dedicated email alias like mdmandroid@yourcompany.com. This ensures clear ownership and simplifies access management for your IT team. Once signed in, we'll proceed with linking this account with MDM. Here, select Sign Up for Android Only, since we're focusing on enterprise device management. Let's move to the next step. Provide the domain name and ensure Manage Engine EMM is listed as EMM provider. Accept the user agreement and complete the registration. Upon successful registration, you will be redirected back to the MDM console, where the Google account used for enrollment, along with the Google assigned Enterprise ID, will be displayed under the Managed Google Play section. You've successfully set up your Managed Google Play account. Now, let's add the apps your company needs and distribute them to devices seamlessly through MDM. Once this configuration is complete, a Managed Google Play account will automatically be added to the Play Store on all enrolled devices, both existing and newly enrolled ones. This means your company now has a dedicated, secure app distribution channel, allowing you to seamlessly push approved apps to all managed devices without manual intervention. Next, you will need to add the Play Store apps to the app repository. To do this, click on Add Apps, where you'll see two options: Play Store Apps and Google Hosted App. In this video, we will explore adding an app from the Play Store. To proceed, select Play Store App, which will open the Add Play Store layout. Search for the desired app, select it, and then click Save and Sync to add and synchronize the app to the repository. Once the sync is complete, the app will appear in the Apps tab of the app repository. Next, we will explore how to distribute apps to managed devices. To begin, open the desired app from the Apps tab in the app repository and click Distribute to assign it to specific devices or groups. In the Distribute App window, select the target groups to ensure the app is installed on all managed devices within those groups. Alternatively, you can go to the Devices tab and manually choose individual devices for distribution. You will then need to select a distribution type, which determines how the app is deployed. Choosing Distribute to App Catalog will list the app in the MDM Apps Catalog, requiring users to install it manually. On the other hand, selecting Silent Installation will automatically install the app on devices without a user intervention. If you want to notify users about the distribution, enable the Notify User by Email upon App Distribution option, which will send an email to their registered address. Once configured, click Distribute Apps to finalize the process. After successful distribution, you can monitor the installation status under the Devices tab. A status marked as installed confirms that the silent installation was completed successfully. Go to Play Store Layout to manage app collections. Here, you can curate the Manage Play Store by organizing the work apps into categories so that users can browse and install company-approved apps of their choice. Thank you for watching this video.